SANYO ASW 82HT washing machine is the one we are going to look at today. This has several issues. To start with the repair, we should first turn off the water, and you can easily remove the inlet by rotating this knob, and this can be easily removed. There are several screws, 4 screws inside of this side of the washing machine, and also this side and the back 2 screws. We should remove them first to take the upper part out. To remove all the screws, we can lift the top lid out easily, but be careful. There's a safety sensor that will get damaged if you not carefully taken out. This part can be bent at a time. If we bend too much, it will break, because this is an older one and metals are now rusting. And carefully lift it so that this tube is for the water level, and this is the wiring, and so that these are not getting damaged, you need to lift it slowly, and we'll keep it like this. And this, when we see the controller part of it, this is the controller part, and this has set of safety sensors and water inlet control valve, which is a solenoid based valve, and this is the water level sensor. And the problem here is mainly the controller has to be replaced. The screws has to be removed. I have already removed 5 screws, and the last one I am trying to remove now, to remove the controller PCB. Visually we can't see anything in this PCB. This is the microcontroller, and these are several switches, and these are indicator LEDs. This is the power supply. However, we can't see anything visually that is damaged, but internal control circuit, these chips may have damage. In a later video I will tell you how to troubleshoot and fix this kind of a PCB yourself, but for the moment we can directly replace the controller PCB. We can buy it from several places like Tilhara Ref Engineers Union Place, and also there are few places around that Tilhara. They will guide you to get a replacement for this PCB. And you need to carefully unmount the sockets. After you unmount these sockets properly, you can get the PCB out. This can be separately tested if you are not sure that this is not the, because there are sensors and actuators in the washing machine, several actuators such as motors, and sensors such as water level sensors, and those also can be damaged. Due to that also the spinning would not work, but after removing this you can test it alone. In the later video I will show you how to troubleshoot the controller part. And also, if you cannot find this kind of a controller from the market, there are some universal washing machine controllers that used for any top loading washing machines. I will later video that I will show that also, like how to fix a universal washing machine controller to your existing old washing machine to get the basic workflows of working. This is the new controller I bought. The same one because this is a SANYO one. This is exactly matching these two. Therefore, we can easily fix this to the slots and try to operate and see whether there are any issues around it. I hope now all the screws are fitted properly. This is the last time. We are done now. First we should do some cleaning around the we'll do. We'll switch on the water inlet and see the basic operations now. Whether it works, and we should turn on the system. We turned on, and we need to select what the settings are. I will select I don't need a soak operation, therefore I will select wash, rinse, spin, water level to be medium. And now I will start it, and it should start flowing water in. If you want to see, so switch on the water inlet now. Everything works perfect now. Thank you for watching the video.